Hey guys, welcome. What's up, KC? What's up, Ruben? Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Give me one sec. Alright, what do we have here? 30. Uh-oh. We're running low. Alright, so. Ruben, what's good? Alright, so the fillers have already ran. By the way, this is 6-box gold standard break number 12. Wow, Bob, you stayed up very late. Welcome. Welcome to everyone late in Europe, early in Asia, and nice little friendly time for the United States finally. I know a couple USA guys have been asking. Now I just gotta post some breaks USA friendly. What's up, Blue? Alright, so as you could have seen probably already, I already went ahead and did all the randoms, all the fillers. Here they are. So for Barca, USA Man U, Bayern, Tottenham, and PSG. Joey gets spot 1, Jonathan 2, Lung 3, Gary 4, Joe 5, Dmitry 6, Yu-Hong 7, Dmitry 8, Kreensack 9, Diego 0 and not numbered cards. Then for Juve, Portugal, Germany, Atletico, Chelsea, Colombia, and West Ham. Achmad, you get 1, Kreensack 2, Achmad 3 and 4, Kreensack 5, Achmad 6 and 7, Kreensack 8, Dmitry 9, Gary 0 and not numbered cards. All of those. As far as the team grabs went, for number 12, Mark with Ajax, Xaba with Monaco, Mark with Dortmund, Mike with Everton, Achira with Inter, Xaba Schalke, Achmad with Liverpool, Przemek with Napoli, Gary Real Madrid, Saruk with Argentina, Thomas with Denmark, Przemek with England, Dmitry France, KC Italy, Achmad Mexico, Bob Scotland, Lung Spain, Herms USA Ladies, and Luis Batet with the Uruguay spot. What's up, Mark? Hey, Zan. Change my name in hope of Daniel James cards. There's a good chance. That's all I can say. What was it I not say hi to? Lung I did, Mark I did. Alright. Welcome everyone, whether I said hi to you or not. Alright, so by the way guys, this break will go live on YouTube. I think every single gold standard break we did, starting with number 6, was up. Or at least everyone that Dmitry and the Russians joined. Because I am forced to put them up on YouTube either way. Alright, so... Alright, here we go. 6 box of gold standard Immaculate is to follow. Good luck. Come on, let's pull some fire. Late night fire. Not a lot of times I've been on in the late USA hours, so let's see if the mojo changes. Wow. 601 right on the spot. First box, potential case hit. Potential case hit in the first freaking box. And this is a thick pack. This is a very thick pack. Let's get my hair out of this. Alright. Good luck. Possibly a case hit box right off the bat. Alright. No color in this box though whatsoever. Oh, one sec. Let me... There we go. That's better. Alright, first up, we're going to have Lionel Messi for Barcelona. Going to Barca filler, spot number 1. There you go, Joe. Lionel Messi, solid gold for Joe. Nice hit. It's not base too, it's gold. There you go. Starting nice and solid. Solid gold. There you go. Then we have one for Everton. That's Mike Bernard for Everton, 78 of 79 gold rookie. There you go, Mike. Then up next, we have a base Sergio Busquets, 125 of 129. And a newly minted, I don't think this is going to be a case hit box, guys. I do not think this is going to be our case hit. And a Kai Havertz for Germany, 27 of 149. It's a nice autograph, but I don't think it's case hit. Gonna have a Sergio Romero, 120 of 149 for Argentina. Argentina in this one is Syrup. There you go, Syrup. And our memorabilia is going to go to James Rodriguez, 50 of 79. Pretty empty patch. Player worn. That's going to go to Colombia. That's filler number 2. Spot number 0. Spot number 0, that is Gary. There you go, Gary. With the patch. And our autograph in this box is going to be a Kepa Arrizabalaga, 95 of 149. Going to go to Chelsea, and filler number 2 as well. Spot number 5. That is Kreensack. There you go. Not the best box, to be honest with you. Expected a little bit better for a 601. There you go, Kreensack. Alright, that's box number 1. We're going box number 2. Another 601. Now we get 2 chances at case hits. Come on. This should be a better one. Now they're upside down. Oh, wow. Well, we're definitely going to have something sick. Not quite sure what it could be. Up first, we're going to have Paul Pogba, 68 of 129 for France. France is Dimitri. Then we have a nice rookie. Nice one here. Frankie de Jong for Barcelona's 26 of 79. Going to go to the first Barca filler. 26. Spot number 6. That's Dimitri. No Syrup. Sometimes we get 601s that are case hit. This is our third 601 box that was without a case hit. It's like it's a 50-50 chance when you get a 601 that is going to be a case hit. It's weird. Looks like there are multiple of them per case. They tried maybe confusing people. Ross Barkley, 60 of 79 for Chelsea. There you go, Gary again with the spot 0 in the second filler. Ross Barkley. Not a bad one there. That's weird. I really was expecting. This should be, though, I hope. Wow. Holy smokes. Nice patch. Have a nice white gold patch for Juan Guillermo Cuadrado, 10 of 99. Gonna go to Colombia. That's rigged. Next card is just rigged. 10 of 99, Colombia. That is the second filler. Wow, spot 0 again. Gary with his third card in 2 boxes. There you go, Gary. Doing some work. Yet another Cuadrado. Check this patch out. Check this one. Daily Blind 21 of 29 for Ajax. There you go, Mark. Kept on grabbing Ajax, and here you go. Nice little fine. What's that called? That's his Man U patch, though, not his Ajax patch. The Chevrolet patch. There you go. Nice. Match worn. Match worn on the Blint. There you go. There you go, Mark. Nice hit. Yeah, a lot of cards are like that. Too many, I should say, but hey, as long as it's match worn, it works with me. I think it works with Mark as well. All right, let's see. Let's elevate it a few cards so you guys can't cheat. Yeah, this is a case hit. Jadon Sancho, 35 of 149 for Borussia Dortmund. Yep, Chevrolet. Jadon Sancho for Dortmund. Dortmund is Mark as well. There you go. Nice Sancho, newly minted. And our case hit is going to go to no other than Christian Pulisic of the United States. Christian Pulisic of the United States. That's going to go to the USA man filler, which is the Barca filler as well. Spot 0 is Diego. There you go, Diego Escamilla. That's all yours. Congrats. Nice case hit. On-card auto of the American Beast. Congrats, Diego. So, hey, 6 boxes and have our case hit. Maybe not the best, but there you go. Yeah, it feels like Panini overloaded Pulisic's. He signed way too many cards. All right, that was box number 2. Here we go in box number 3. Yeah, Pulisic usually kills the case hit chances. But hey, maybe we can have 2 case hits. You never know. Because these are all loose boxes. You really have no idea. 701. 701 on this one. Nice. We're gonna have a mint patch, it seems. Alright, so up first we're gonna have a David De Gea, 69 of 129 for Man U. Manchester United. That is Barca filler, spot number 9. There you go, Kreensack. Then we're gonna have 2 number to 29 fines. First one is for France. There you go, Dmitry. Nice 24 of 29, Antoine Griezmann. It's pretty easy to pull. I think this is my 4th one. Either 3rd or 4th. Something's wrong with the lighting today. Alright, then we're gonna have a Achraf Hakimi, 23 of 29, also fine. Gonna go to Dortmund. There you go, Mark. Nice Hakimi. Then we're gonna have a Paul Pogba for the Manchester United spot. 70 of 149. Man U, that's Barca filler as well, spot 0. There you go, Diego again. Oh, my bad. That's just to be sleeved. Alright, then let's go with this one. We're going to have a Divock Origi autograph, 130 of 149 for Liverpool. There you go, Achmad. Marks of Gold, Origi. Then we're gonna have a Andrea Bellotti, 41 of 99 for Italia. Italia is Casey. There you go, good as gold. Player worn on the Bellotti. And nice little box hit. Mint Eric Lamela, numbered to 19. 17 of 19 with a nice little Tottenham patch, I assume. Player worn. Argentina is Syrup. There you go. 17 of 19, Eric Lamela. Not a bad hit. All right, we are 3 boxes in, 3 to go, halfway. Halfway point. Have to see some more monsters. It's been a while since we pulled a variation autograph. Wow. Another 601. We got 3 601s in the same 6 box break so far. Maybe we'll get more. Keep on throwing these out. There we go. Wow, and these are turned upside down. I think we might have another case hit, guys. Is that possible? I mean, it's possible, but what are the chances? Wow. Daniel Caliguri, 42 of 129 for FC Schalke. FC Schalke, and this one is Xaba. Let's leave that one for last. Wow, we are going to have another case hit, guys, it seems. I'm pretty sure. I have a Julian Draxler for Germany, 73 of 149. Dynamic. Germany, that is second filler spot number 3. That's going to be Achmad. I'm pretty sure we are going to have our second case hit. Let's leave that one for later. And I have a Sadio Mane, 64 of 79 for Liverpool. There you go, Achmad. Then check this one out. We're going to have a Mohamed Salah, 14 of 29 on the Salah. Check that one out. There you go, Achmad. Congrats. Who to remove? Let's remove Griezmann. Alright, see this one. Wow. What are the chances? Seriously? Gonna have a David Alaba, 9 of 49 on the Bayern patch. Bayern, that's going to be Barca filler. It's player worn spot number 9. That's going to be Kreensack. There you go. And check this one out. How about a second fine patch for Daily Blind? This time it's 18 of 29. That one is 21. There you go, Mark. Second Daily Blind patch. Pretty sure that's his B from his jersey. Match 1 as well. Sickness. Sickness. Let's put him right next to his buddy over there. Alright then. You know what? Let's put it over here. I'm going blind from all these blinds. Oh, from all these blinds. Alright. Yep, Man U jersey again, that's for sure. Alright, gotta leave this spot for the next hit, because it's gonna be a case hit. Alright, good luck, guys. We're gonna have our second case hit, and this time it's gonna go to, I'm pretty sure it's a case hit, Francesco Totti of Italia. There you go, KC, numbered 1 of 29. 1 of 29 gold medals Totti. That short print, I believe it would count as a case hit. And I've seen one case where he was a case hit. So I assume we just got ourselves 2 case hits. There you go. Congrats. 2 case hits and 6 boxes. Good work, guys. Good work. There you go. Good stuff. All right. Still got 2 more to go, guys. 2 more boxes to go. Come on, another 601? 701. One more case hit. Imagine 3 case hits and 6 boxes. I will take a variation autograph though. Wow. We're gonna have a red fine patch autograph and a red patch. Good luck, guys. This could be huge. Up first, we're going to have Dusan Tadic for Ajax again. There you go, Mark. Mark is killing it with Ajax. $33 of 129 on the Tadic. There you go. Up next, we have this bad boy, Christian Pulisic, 74 of 79 for Chelsea. Filler number 2, spot 4 is Ashmad. Then, we have a Robert Snodgrass, 21 of 79 for Scotland. There you go, Bob. Nice, so thank you for staying up late in with the Snodgrass. Congrats. Hopefully pull you something more. And alright. Let's do this one first. Wow. Sickness of a patch on the next one. Ricardo Montolivo, 57 of 99, Italian KC. There you go. Ricardo Montolivo. Alright, let's see what this one is. Who has this team? Oh, wow. Vinicius Jr. That one is 11 of 149, Real Madrid. There you go, Gary. Real Madrid finally gets a hit. Gary, and check the next 2 up. Next 2? Actually, let me not spoil it. Which one should I go first? Let's see. Alright, well, let's go with the patch first, I guess. I'll cover it myself. Alright, so our patch is going to be a Marcos Rojo, Premier League logo. Oh my god, that's sick. Premier League logo. That's like the part of the Lions and with the Premier League. Pretty sick. Numbered to 29. Manchester United was in the Barcelona filler. Good luck. Number to 29. This one is going to go to spot number 2. Spot number 2. That is Jonathan. There you go. Congrats, Jonathan. Marcos Rojo, spot number 2. Yeah, very sick one. And a match worn. On top of that. Super sick. There you go, Jonathan. Congrats. Yoshiro, we are doing Immaculate after this. This is gold standard. This is the other break. We're going to do Immaculate where you have Argentina others in a few minutes. And check this one out. Our box hit is going to be a sick one. Sick one as well. Going to go to the same team, Manchester United. I'm so surprised no one took him. Robin Van Persie, fine patch autograph. Gold Rush patch autograph to be exact. Super sick jersey. It's like, you can see the stitching. This one is going to be... This one is going to be numbered to 19. This one's going to be going to the filler number 1 as well, the Barca one. Good luck. Spot number 1. Spot number 1, that's Joe. Wow, congrats, Joe. There you go. Good hit for Joe. 1 of 19, Robin Van Persie Gold Rush patch autograph. Wow, match freaking worn on this one as well. Sickness. Pretty sure Joe will be pretty happy with this one when he wakes up. Let's take Lamella down. And we got one more box to go after this one. Good luck, guys. One more to go. One more to go in this break. By the way, number 13 is full. Thank you, guys. We will break it tomorrow as soon as I wake up. So it will be a Europe and an Asia friendly break so everyone can watch. I appreciate the fill on that one as well. Appreciate the fill on this one. Holy shit. Another 601. Our 4th 601 box. Can we get a third case hit? Good luck. Come on. Be upside down. Aw, damn it. They're not upside down. But hey, if it is a case hit, it's going to be a patch autograph. So, it's all or nothing. Another 601. Hey, Cav, what's up? If this is a case hit, that's going to be crazy. Denmark, and this one is Thomas. There you go, 54 of 149 on Jacob Brun Larsen. Yeah, nice patches. Definitely nice few patches in this product especially. Alright. Let's go with this one first. Gonna have a base Mauro Icardi. 101 of 129. For PSG. PSG went to the Barcelona filler. Barca filler spot number 1. That's Joe as well. There you go, Joe. Alright, so we had 1 case hit, we had 2 case hits, and now we're on the verge of getting a third one in 6 boxes. I don't think it's going to be a case hit, guys, though. It's a super sick one, but it's not a case hit. Robert Snodgrass, 26 of 149 dynamic. There you go again, Bob. 2 of them. There's the second one. Then we're going to have a numbered to 19. 5 of 19 mint. Klaas-Jan Huntelaar, Ajax killed this break. There you go, Mark. $9 spot. got themselves 2 super stick patches, a mint, and a few base cards. So there you go. Or numbered cards. Sick stuff for Mark. There you go. Nice patch autograph here. Might be not the case yet though. Then we're gonna have a Nico Gaitan, 103 of 149 for Argentina. There you go, Syrup. Then we're gonna have a Mark Wilmots, 18 of 149 for Schalke. There you go, Saba. Nice hit there. And the card to conclude the break, it's not going to be a case hit, unfortunately, in the 601 box. It's going to be a Joshua Kimmich. Nice little red fine patch autograph with an autograph in the patch and on the sticker. Double patch auto. Double auto patch, I guess. Nice. Match worn and signed. Gonna go to the filler number 1 with Barcelona, spot number 6. There you go, Dmitry. Congrats, Dmitry. Solid stuff for Dmitry. Nice way to end the case, or the break. Yep, signed jersey and the sticker. So double sickness. Alright, leave it here. Alright, that's the break. All these are empty. That is the break. Here comes the recap. I'm gonna say the numbering on these. These are golds and base inserts and just base parallels. Snodgrass, Icardi, Larson, Junior, Snodgrass, Pulisic, Tadic, Mane, Draxler, Caliguri, Pogba, De Gea, Sancho, Barkley, Frankie de Jong, Pogba, Havertz, Busquets, and Bernard. Then our hits. I'm gonna say the serial number, so if the hit is in the filler, you know who got it. And let me see. They're both numbered to 149. That's I'm sure. Snodgrass is 26 of 149. Oh no, they're different. This one's 21 of 79. So this one's gold. So you got a base and a gold variation. Nice. Alright, then we have hits. Number 7 for Italia, Riccardo Montolivo. Number 9, David Alaba for Bayern. Number 0 for Colombia, Cuadrado. And number 0 for Colombia as well, James Rodriguez. Then our bigger hits. Let's see. Alright, Nightmark. Good break. Definitely a good break. Alright, we had a patch auto 1, Andrea Bellotti, good as gold. Then our base autos, we had 0, Divock Origi for Liverpool, 3, Nico Gaetan, Argentina, and then 8, Mark Wilmots for Schalke. Then we had a Messi, 1 of 79 for Barcelona. Then we have an Achraf Hakimi, 23 of 29 for Dortmund. Antoine Griezmann, 24 of 29 for France. And a Huntelaar, 5 of 19 for Ajax. Then we also had Eric Lamela, 7 of 19 mint for Argentina. Rojo, 2 for Manchester United. Nice little fine patch. Romero, 0 for Argentina. Gold medals auto. And a Kepa Arrizabalaga, 5 for Chelsea. Then we had a nice Joshua Kimmich double signed autograph. Patch autograph. 6 of 29 for Bayern. And hits on the board. A lot of nice ones. Had a Mo Salah, 14 of 29, fine for Liverpool. A nice one here, also fine for Manchester United, 1 of 19, Robin Van Persie Gold Rush patch auto. Went to the filler, this one went to Joe. Congrats. Then, not 1, but 2 fine Daily Blinds. Both going to Ajax. One is 18 of 29 with a B. Another one is 21 of 29 with a Man U sickness of a patch. There you go, Mark. Nice double hit. And we had not 1, but 2 case hits in the 6 boxes. First up, we had a Christian Pulisic for the United States. And second, we had a Francesco Totti, 1 of 29 for Italia. Nice little 2 case hits in 6 boxes. Who would have thought? There you go, guys. This one went to KC. Pulisic went to Gary. No, Pulisic went to Diego. My bad. Diego's familiar with the Pulisic. Alright, guys. Live with Immaculate in 5 boxes. Good night to all of you Europeans who are out. And I will be live with Immaculate 3 boxes in 2 minutes. Gotta get the random going over there and we will get started. So catch you guys live on that one in 2 minutes.